40 and pregnant. First of all, congratulations. The first major hurdle, getting pregnant, is crossed. But pregnancy at 40 comes with its own risks. You might have conceived naturally or you might have conceived with fertility treatment. There are some things that you should be aware of. When you're in your late 30s or when you're in your early 40s, the risks during pregnancy are slightly more. There is a higher risk of having miscarriage. There's a higher risk of having preterm labor. The risk of having pregnancy-induced hypertension or diabetes during pregnancy also increases. The risk of having IUGR or low birth weight babies is more, and also the risk of having cesarean section for delivery is more. When you're 40, you need to register yourself with a high-risk specialist obstetrician. You need to register yourself at a tertiary care hospital with NICU facilities. When you're 40, in fact for all pregnant women, more so for women who are older, screening during pregnancy is important for all women, more so when you're pregnant at 40. There are screening blood tests which will be done towards the end of your first trimester. There will be blood tests as well as ultrasound to check the NT. There will be an ultrasound at around 20 weeks and 22 weeks which is called the anomaly scan, and this is to check whether your baby is growing well, whether your baby is growing normally. When you're 40, the doctor also needs to schedule regular monitoring ultrasounds for you to check your baby's growth, and these happen even in the later second trimester and third trimester. Frequent monitoring of blood pressure and also blood sugar levels is important because pregnancy at an advanced age is associated with increased risk of having hypertension during pregnancy and also gestational diabetes mellitus. Because as you know, with age, the risk of having genetic abnormalities in the child increases, the risk of having congenital abnormalities also increases. So doing your NT scan at about 9 to 11 weeks, getting the anomaly scan done at 20 weeks and again at 22 weeks is important. Remember to eat well, remember to exercise well, remember to sleep, and remember to make your routine visits to your gynecologist or your obstetrician as advised. Remember to register at a good tertiary care hospital with a high-risk obstetrician who is used to handling high-risk pregnancies. Pregnancy at 40 is not an easy ballgame, but it's not too difficult either. With the right care, with the right doctor, things should go smoothly even though you're pregnant pretty late.